Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about is the Maruchan Instant Lunch. This is the beef flavored one also. Yeah, this is my favorite one. Now, before I start talking about this, I just have to say that these are not very good for you. I mean, health-wise. They taste great. I actually lived on these in college. I mean, it's really a good way to get your belly full and quickly if you're studying for finals or, you need a quick meal on the go. Actually, for me, I would need about a good 3 of these to actually make a meal, but it will fill you up if you're on the go. Yeah, they're very good, and what it is for those of you who have never had these before, it's noodles in here. What it is it's like kind of like a ramen deal. What you do is you heat up some hot water, get some hot water going, and once the water is hot, you take off this plastic and you pull back this lid that's on here. You will pour hot water inside here, then close this back. See, what it is okay, let me show you. If you open this, okay, in the top here, taking the plastic off like this. Now, with the plastic off, you'll see that inside are your noodles. Yay! And you'll see that it has the seasoning and all the little makeshift corn and carrot, little green vegetables there, and like that. It's all ready to go. Okay, so I mean, don't be sad that the noodles don't go all the way up to the top because you need room for your water, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, so you would put your hot water inside of here, and then you would close this back really snug, right? Yeah, you close it back, and then what you're gonna do is just let it sit in there for about 3 or 4 minutes, and just let it sit in there, and it's making the noodles all good and ready for you. When the 3 to 4 minutes are over, you'll take a fork and just put it in here and move your noodles around, move them like that, get in there, mix it up really good. Voila, you're ready. Just eat it up. It's very good. I mean, the reason why I say it's not good for you because it has a lot of salt in it, and it's just not a very healthy way of maintaining your diet being healthy. I mean, it's really extremely fast food. It's just not very healthy for you. But like I said, it is survivor food. You take this, it's not going to be hard to find hot water somewhere, and you have a meal. Yeah. And I've seen these in vending machines, and I mean, they are good to take on the go. You can put them in your backpack real quick. Just grab a few of these and you got dinner, It's really a good alternative to real food. If you're in a hurry or you just don't have much money, because these are extremely cheap, very, very cheap. I mean, it's almost ridiculous how little these cost. So it's made for college students or people that are really just have no time to do anything. But the thing is, it tastes good. It tastes really good. I like them a lot. I mean, I wish they were healthier for you, because if they were, I would eat them absolutely all the time. Not all the time, but I would eat a lot of them, you know, just for snacking. Yeah, I like these. And, you know, it's something that is traditionally in my family, just something we have here just for snacks and like, not for a meal, but, you know, if you're just feeling like something, but you don't really want a meal, but you do kind of want something that kind of makes you feel like you're eating something kind of like food. So, yeah, this is good. I like this a lot, and I like it a little too much. Okay, well, okay, that is the Maruchan. I'm not sure how to pronounce that name. Maruchan Instant Lunch, the beef flavored. All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.